Tell me first, what does the Bhagavad Gita mean for you as a text? Had it come to mean a lot for you personally, and you thought this is the way for me to marry this and my passion for tech? What was the story there?
If you ask me if I chose the Bhagavad Gita or the Gita chose me, I think it's the latter. I had a completely different kind of energy once I started understanding the Bhagavad Gita. It shifted how I look at struggle, challenges, adversity. I could see life in a different lens. And that was the spark, so as to say, where why not make this extremely accessible? Why is it only limited to, say, certain Sanskrit scholars or temple discourses? Why not make it as fun, as relatable as, say, Netflix or Instagram Reels? That's where the journey began, that, why not make it as Krishna himself explaining the Bhagavad Gita? And that's where we made a motion capture like animation, like the Avatar. How these green screens are there and these cameras and they're capturing your... So that is actually how we are making this happen. And we had to onboard some of the best studios in Denmark who've made like Disney and Lego and Apple TV kind of content to help us make this happen, because this has never happened in India before. We've had these experts come on board and help us. And we have a little animation studio, so as to speak, now in place just to make so many hours of content.
Sunil Shetty has been a vocal advocate of this entire experience. There are others who've been putting out pictures with this digital experience and they've been saying you must go through it. I'm going to pick up my copy for sure.
I think anybody who picks up the Bhagavad Gita will have a transformation for sure. That is for certain.